This is the Forest River Cottage, Cedar Creek. Now, I think that this is one that they would consider a destination. Trailer, but oh my goodness, you all, this thing is massive. And it is a fifth wheel. Let's take a look at this one. Show price $89,995. Let's see if we can get the stats on this. Dry weight. It's over 15,000 pounds, but I definitely still wanted to take a look at it. Oh my goodness, this one has a mud room. Coat closet, a place that you can sit down to put your shoes on. You have some hooks here. Okay. Eating area is right into the right. You have to be careful though, because this is a little bit of a step down, so definitely be careful if you come in and take a look at this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the price sheet. Alright, so a dinette booth. Let's go ahead and head on up the steps. There are 4 stairs in this one, the most steps that I think I've seen in any of the ones that I've toured. Look at this bathroom. This is awesome. Oh, look at the sink and the mirror. You have clips here. That is a beautiful mirror. We'll step on back here to the master bedroom. I have to admit, this is the nicest master that I've seen at the show today. Plenty of cabinet space. This is a huge bed, and then a sitting area where you can lounge out. I'm not going to put my shoes up here because my mother would have a fit. Nice TV, lots of drawer space. Okay. Okay, slide out pantry, soft close, nice. I guess these will probably be the same. Exactly. Okay. Double trash cans. Alright. Plenty of drawer space. Oh wow. Now this is nice because this could hold your, of course, your knives, your spoons, but I've seen people in different rigs also use it for their USB cables, a place to keep their cords. And then we have an oven. Girl likes an oven, more storage, shelving. This is beautiful. Nice. And this refrigerator, oh my goodness. Double doors. Now, what do we think this is? Do we think it's a washer and dryer? Oh! A washer and dryer. Okay. This is definitely, I think would be great even if you had to live in something like this. And the retail price is $120,000. Tell me what you think in the comments.